When you run out of things to cook, this puff pastry tart with cream cheese, pesto and roasted tomatoes is a winner. Now, true confessions, anything to do with flour makes me slightly hysterical. But I do try every now and then and crack a little bit of puff pastry just simply out the box. I've got a sheet of puff pastry, now I've just rolled it out a tiny bit, and then you need to cut strips. Look, mine aren't very straight. I did till I was not a master. And you basically put the strips around the rectangle to make a box. Quite easy, really. Then you prick the center of the pastry all over. So basically, it's going to rise less. The idea is that you're going to have like little edges, a sort of puff in the middle, a gentle puff. And then it goes to the oven. So while the pastry is baking, you're going to do the roasted tomatoes. I've got some baby tomatoes, some sliced garlic. If you mince the garlic, it's just sort of too garlicky. And some just sliced red onion. Simple as that, beautiful. Then we want some olive oil, naturally. Then some balsamic vinegar. Now, definitely not your best balsamic vinegar because it's just going to roast away. And if you don't have balsamic vinegar, then I think a little bit of red wine vinegar will do absolutely fine. Salt. If you don't have baby tomatoes, quartered tomatoes is absolutely fine, just the large ones. And then into the oven about 200 degrees for about 20 minutes. Now, you're going to soften some cream cheese, any old cream cheese you like. It is important you soften it, otherwise you're going to break this a bit too much. Now, you're just going to gently sort of spread this over. It is going to get caught up, so what you want to do is dollop as much as you can. You know, the flakes are going to come onto it, but don't stress because you're going to cover this up with other stuff. Now, if you don't have pesto, never mind, or you don't even like pesto, just use some fresh herbs or just skip it out altogether. And then you're going to want your beautiful tomatoes. These tomatoes are also amazing, just tossed through hot pasta or even over couscous. Keep the dressing as well, so you can use it in salads or with other roasted vegetables. Just toss some basil leaves on top. You must serve this immediately because otherwise the pastry will get soggy. It's beautiful to look at, delicious to eat, and you'll almost wish it wasn't lockdown so you could show off to all your friends.